What is going on YouTube? Hit back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Specifically, we do have some key areas to discuss, some key cryptocurrencies with some key patterns here. We're seeing lots of consolidation pretty much across the board. I'm actually pretty excited with the way things are going this past week. Over the past couple of days here, we've formed some very peculiar but strong technical indicators, which should ideally allow us to make some pretty profitable trades and also kind of figure out when and where the breakouts will occur. So I am pretty excited to look at these cryptocurrencies with you. As you guys know, we've been tracking XRP. We made a discovery about a day to 2 days ago in regards to potentially seeing a fourth, yeah, you heard me right, a fourth kind of bull flag forming here. As you guys know, XRP loves to form these kind of bull flags here, and it always breaks to the upside here. You can see consistently that we've had one bull flag here, which broke us up. Here was the second bull flag, which broke us up. The third bull flag broke us up. And here we have forming the fourth bull flag, or a pennant flag, whatever you want to call it. This typically has a bullish bias, which is very exciting if you ask me. We're waiting patiently for the point of apex, for us to fill in the gap, and for a decision to be made, which would be happening fairly soon if you ask me. Now, besides XRP, we're also going to be looking at Ethereum, which has been flatlined out on its moving average for a couple of days now, literally since like the 3rd, so it's been almost a week. We have Bitcoin, which is forming a descending fractal here. We kind of outlined it as a stair-stepping pattern here, but yet again, this is the 3rd day, or the 3rd time to, over the past couple of weeks where we're retesting the price ceiling, which you can see 1, 2, and then here's 3. And then the S&P 500, which is starting to scale lower. Now, could we continue to move up? Yeah, of course, it's possible here. You can see every time we do it, we kind of head higher than the last, so it's possible we could see that movement like that. But ideally, I think it would be healthier for the S&P 500 to pull down a moving average, retest its moving average, and then we can head up higher. So I don't know, lots of things to discuss, lots of things to go in detail about. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's jump into today's episode. So guys, first and foremost, looking at our cryptocurrencies, or at the current previous videos, you can see the history of the markets that we've been watching patiently. The past 2 days, we've pretty much outlined, the fact that there have been kind of this fourth descending or bull flag formation here, descending fractal or bull flag formation here, which typically has a bullish bias. Whether we call it a pennant flag crypto, that might be it. You can kind of see this pennant flag here. I don't think it's as sideways that we're seeing here. That's why I think we're more of a bull flag, where we can actually see it's more of a correction to the downside here. We don't actually form a point here. Maybe we do, but we're going to the downside in any sense here. So I think it's a pennant flag. We could call it a bull flag. Regardless, it's a descending pattern that comes to a point, and inevitably it does ideally have a bullish outlook. We do typically break to the upside here. Flags and pennants, you can see this is the bull flag here, which breaks to the upside here. You can see again kind of the sideways trading that we have here, but it's kind of heading lower. Same thing right here, the consolidation downwards. We break through the price ceiling and we actually continue to pump to the upside here, which is pretty much what we've been tracking and looking at on a lot of these cryptos. And you can see the past 2 days, that's what we've been focused on. So it's a lot of consolidation. You can see consolidation, also within a much bigger formation or technical indicator here, which is exciting if you ask me. Now, looking at the current coin market cap, you can see the consolidation has continued over the past couple of days. You can see on Bitcoin and Ethereum, so on and so forth, sideways movement. Like everything is consolidating sideways, which typically implies that we're coming to the end. When we see consolidation, it typically means big things are coming. We usually don't see... Cryptocurrency is extremely volatile. So when we see non-volatile movements, low volume spikes, and sideways trading around the same price for almost a week now, it's an indicator that we're coming to an end and a decision is going to have to be made. That's what we figured out on the original XRP break. You can see on the 3rd bull flag formation here, we were consolidating downwards here. You can see, where is it? Right here. So you can see consolidating downwards, filling in the gap. Decision had to be made. We have an uptrend and we have the price ceiling here. So as we were getting sandwiched in, we had to figure out, will we be breaking down or breaking up? And we broke up beautifully, seeing a major explosion to the upside here. Well, guess what? That same pattern is is now taking place for the most part as I speak. You can see we've clearly outlined a beautiful, a magnificent descending fractal here. Lower highs and lower lows. Each time we head downwards, it's lower than the last, and each time we head upwards, it's lower than the last as well. You can see we're going to fill in this gap here. I don't know how many days this could last. This could be today. This could be tomorrow. This could be a couple days from now. I don't know for certain, but I do know it's going to come to an end very, very, very soon. Coincidentally, right where the moving average ties in is right at the end here with the price floor, as well as the descending fractals here. So typically these do have a bullish outlook here. And you can also see how volume is slowly dying off. If I zoom out, volume has died off right here. And then even crazier, look at the wicks of the candles. The original wick was massive here, massive candle movements, huge volatility, huge movement within here. Look at the drop. We went from 82 cents all the way down to 66 cents. Big swings and big movements here. Well, guess what? Over the past couple of days, we've been trading sideways. Over the past 3 days, 4 days, trading sideways. And now the recent 2 days have been doing nothing but flatline movement, literally nothing but flatline movement. This is a huge indicator that this typically is a reference of big movements coming. We're filling in the gap here. A decision is going to have to be made as we sandwich ourselves and get real tight into this. We're going to have to figure out the way that we move, the way that we want to pump. If we see us break through this price ceiling and close the daily above that, I would expect to see an immediate bullish reaction. That's actually where I expect to see the markets move to. I don't think we're going to see a drop, but it is possible. Ideally, I do suspect a bullish reversal off these off XRP very soon. Obviously, we'll be doing these trades on BidFide, the number one cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Do a quick refresh. Sometimes that happens if you leave the page up for too long. But so, XRP, we're getting ready for this trade. This trade on XRP, the buy-in to long this. Granted, keep in mind, we've also bought in for a short position. We still have that short open. So we've been making profit off this, but we do have a stop loss tight. And if we break through that stop loss, we'll be switching to a long position here. So I am excited. We've been making tons of profit off the XRP bull run and off the XRP correction to the downside here. We're about to make another one here. If you don't want to miss out on this next run, consider signing up for BidFide, It's completely free. Link is down in the description below. And you can also sit out this trade. Totally cool. Go to the demo account here. Use the $100,000 in Monopoly money and test your skills to trade around with demo Monopoly money. A demo account here. Get familiar with the platform before going to live account. You can even test the trades that I do using the demo account. So I highly recommend you at least sign up. It's free. You got zero to lose, nothing to lose. You actually lose out on earning money, making money by not signing up for BidFide here, because they do offer welcome rewards, which allows you to earn up to $2,888 for completing simple tasks down right over here. You can see. So make sure to check it out. Another really cool feature is the fact that you can short XRP, long XRP, leverage trade XRP, create stop losses, take profits for XRP. The list goes on and on and on. So make sure to check this out. Make sure to check out BidFide down in the description below ASAP. And with that being said, moving forward, as you guys know, this is pretty much what I suspect to see happen with the XRP chart, a breakout to the upside. And that also kind of implicates the possibilities of seeing other cryptos move up. Like if we see XRP swing to the upside, although I'm sitting out on the Ethereum trade, there's a chance we could see a swing back to the upside here. It is. We've bottomed out on moving average. However, the longer we hang out on here, the bigger the dump. But again, something big is going to come. Something big is brewing as we trade sideways. This is a direct indicator of a pump or a dump. I don't know for certain, but it is inevitably going to happen very soon here. I'm sitting out Ethereum, but for those that are aggressive in their trades, if you want to trade Ethereum, go for it. And then as for Bitcoin here, you can see Bitcoin is beautifully creating these kind of stair-stepping patterns here. And theoretically, those could be breaking down or breaking up. I don't know for certain here. It's, as I've said numerous times here, if we trade inside this descending fractal, it is an aggressive trade, which I don't like to do. But conservatively, if we break through the blue band here on the daily and close the daily above that, that's an opportunity to buy in and long to the upside here. So they have lots of opportunities across the board with a lot of these cryptos that show signs of potential swings. Now, where things get interesting, where as much as I want the S&P to dip lower here, it may literally not happen. As much as I want it to, it may take longer. As you've seen in the past here, ever since, every time we kind of head up, we're doing these kind of dips downward. We're dipping downwards, and then we're reversing up. So there's a chance that's all this could be. This could be just enough to get us from being overbought from 70 on the RSI down to 48, and now we could head up even higher. It's very possible, which would be insane because that means we're going to be literally neck and neck with the previous highs, which is incredible if you ask me. But I mean, all in all, we're doing incredible things. Things are doing very well. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.